In this video, I will show you how to use rank or position formula in Microsoft Excel. So this is the random data. Now to make the rank formula equal and rank. So double click on rank. Now select this obtain numbers. Now comma. Now drag and drop obtain numbers for all students. And here in second H3 enter the dollar sign. So press shift plus H4. Shift plus H4. So four time dollar sign. So this is the formula you can see, except first H3, before H, before number, again before H and before number. H is my column number. So where your obtained numbers, so enter the dollar sign, then press enter. So now you have this rank. Now drag and drop to apply this formula to all the these names. So thanks for watching.